Hello, every citizen in free democratic country. This is Seoul, 비상시국연대 studio. I'm Youngjae Choi, the spokesperson of 비상시국연대. This is a letter from our 비상시국연대 to co-chairman James P. McGovern and Chris H. Smith, Tom Lantos Human Rights Commission, House Committee on Foreign Affairs in United States. Honorable Co-Chairman James P. McGovern and Chris H. Smith. This is Youngjae Choi from South Korea, and I speak for the new organization Rebuild Korea Association. We represent the political parties and all civic organizations for freedom and democracy, and we will be working to end the tyrannical regime of Moon Jae-in in South Korea. The co-representative of Build Korea Association are Honorable Ju Ho-young, Parliamentary Head Executive of the People's Power Party, Honorable An Chol-soo, Representative of the People's Power Party, Honorable Hong Jun-pyo, currently a member of the National Assembly and the 2017 candidate of the presidential election from the major conservative party. Honorable Lee Jae-oh, former Minister of Special Affairs. Honorable Kim Mun-soo, former Governor of the Gyeonggi Province. Honorable Jang Gi-pyo, a civic group leader. Honorable Kim Tae-hun, a human rights lawyer. Honorable Lee Hee-bum, an NGO leader. Honorable Lee In-sil, a woman CEO and leader. We Rebuild Korea Association against the Anti-Leaflet Act of South Korea enacted illegally by President Moon Jae-in and his Double Democratic Party. It is against the South Korea Constitution and against the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, against the ICCPR signed both by South Korea and North Korea, and against the resolution by the UN Human Rights Commission. President Moon of South Korea suppresses not only the leaflet activities against Kim Jong-un, but also harasses the human rights organization of the North Korean defectors in South Korea. Moon regime sent back some North Korean defectors forcibly with blind covers on their eyes. It was truly barbaric and inhuman to send back the defectors who seek freedom and life in South Korea. Moon Jae-in has imprisoned two former presidents, President Park Geun-hye and Lee Myung-bak, more than 4 years now illegally. He also imprisoned former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Honorable Yang Seung-tae, and all the former directors of the national intelligences. We appeal to the International Court of the Conscience for the former presidents of the South Korea who have been locked up without due process of law legally. Moon Jae-in has done with the separation of powers between the executive, the legislative, and the judicial in South Korea. The legislative and the judicial bodies in South Korea have become completely subservient to the executive and Moon Jae-in in the past 4 years. No democracy in South Korea. For instance, Moon Jae-in took the power of the Chief prosecutor Yoon Suk-yeol, who was investigating the corruption and irregularities of the Blue House and the political party in power. He made the Chief Justice Kim Myung-soo his errand boy. This has been what's going on in South Korea. Moon does not believe in multi-party system like the US and Japan. He wants to follow the system of China and North Korea, one-party dictatorship. He has been working for and with the CCP and North Korea on this. He has been anti-America and anti-Japan. Yes, Moon and his followers in South Korea have been anti-America and anti-Japan, now openly and publicly. They are pro-China and pro-North Korea. The alliance between the US and Korea is in jeopardy and in deep trouble. They have brainwashed the people and have succeeded very dangerously. The leftist says that the Anti-Leaflet Act hearing at the Tom Lantos Human Rights Commission can jeopardize the sovereignty of South Korea. Not true. We rebuilt Korea, and all the patriots in South Korea accepted and support the U.S. forces in Korea, and we support the hearing at the U.S. Congress wholeheartedly. Respectfully yours, Choi Young-jae. Thank you very much.